everyone, welcome back to RTS and welcome to another summer giveaway. So much fun. I love giving things away. Yes. Okay, so I have a little bit of a theme for this summer giveaway and it's about travel. So over the summer, I'm sure a lot of us did some traveling over the summer. So this is kind of like a giveaway with some items based around that. So to start off is that I have three 6x12 chipboard pieces by Echo Park and Cartabella. And of course you can see there is by Passport, travel, go see and explore, travel, and then also to Let's Cruise by Cartabella, travel. Now you don't have to go on a cruise to use these because I've never been on a cruise and I love this entire collection because it was designed by Stephen Duncan. So those are three chipboard pieces. So what else do we have? Well, I have paper. I have some embossing folders, stamps, yes, okay. So I have a 6x6 paper pad, My Mind's Eye World Traveler 24 pieces. And these don't have any stickies to that. So isn't that fun? And isn't this fun? Where was it at? Just love the cameras. Love the road signs. Very, very fun. Of course, that orange with that pink added in. Very fun. Okay, so that is World Traveler. So then I have another 6x6 paper pad with a Fancy Pants. This is Dream Big. And this was one of my, it's sealed, but this paper right here, I have this in a 12x12 and it's one of my favorite story-based papers from Fancy Pants. It's this right here. So it's, again, it has to do with travel and there's a wonderful floral. And so then to go with that is that with this Dream Big, this Fancy Pants, I also have some traveler's notebooks. Okay, so one is in this yellow star and then right there is that paper that I was talking about. I have this in 12x12. Love this. This is a great story-based piece of paper. Love that. So that goes with that, you know, because we are traveling. That's probably what we did. Travel. See the theme? Travel. Yes. So now I have some embossing folders. The first one is, of course, when you travel, what is everything you need? Directions. And so that is what that embossing folder looks like. Very fun. These are new items. Absolutely. Well, yeah, they're all new items from Tuesday morning. So I just saw a little bit of a theme going on. The next one is, because to go with this My Mind's Eye World Traveler, I found the world map embossing folder. And that's what that looks like. I thought that would be really fun to play with. So that's in the giveaway. And then I have another embossing folder of the wonderful United States. Lovely. I had thought about getting one of these for myself, but I had something like that, so I didn't. I refrained, but I did get one for a giveaway. Yes, I just love getting things for a giveaway. And so the next thing is to go with this Dream Big, the Traveler's Notebook, and the 6x6 pad. This is all the same collection, is the puffy stickers to go with that, so that's fun. And then I have another product by My Mind's Eye. This is called Hello World, and these are sticky notes, perfect for this travel theme giveaway. And then I have a stamp set that is by Heidi Swap, and I don't know how, I was going to say I don't know how many pieces, 31. And so it is all about adventure and traveling. Hashtag my heart, best ever, and the geotag camera, and then of course your next adventure. Very fun. And this would be the perfect size to use in the traveler's notebook. And of course there's a camera. Do we get enough cameras? No, we don't. Okay, and then here is a set of 24 piece of wood veneer. And there you have, oh, there you go. You have the globe and the traffic light. I have never seen a wood veneer with a traffic light. And then there's a ticket and there are some road signs. That's so fun. And double-decker bus, hot air balloon really goes well with this, goes well with this, goes well with just about everything. Yes, so that is a 24 piece of wood veneer. So that is what I have for this giveaway with this travel theme. Very, very fun items to play with. So what do you have to do? Well, first of all, be a subscriber, over 18, of course, and then leave a comment. And this is for USA only because of the size of the chipboard and the heftiness of this. This is for USA only, but recently I had a giveaway just for international gals, so definitely look into that. And then leave a comment. And since this has to do with the travel theme, leave a comment about something about travel. Whether it's someplace that you traveled to that you loved, someplace you want to travel back to, someplace that has just been over the summer, some place you traveled to a lot, whether it's your local ice cream shop. It doesn't matter as long as it has to do with travel. Or do you like to travel? Do you not like to travel? I'll give you a little bit of thing about me. I do not like packing and unpacking for travel. I absolutely loathe it. I drag my feet, I complain, and I grumble and mumble every time I have to pack and unpack because we do it so often. I'm a pro at it. I'm a pro at it, but I don't like it. So there you go. That is my travel comment. I do not like the packing and unpacking. Just grates my nerves to have to do it all the time. Yes. I just want a vending machine. Yep, that's my outfit for Tuesday. There's my shoes. There's my handbag. I'm ready to go. It doesn't work that way. No. So that is a summer giveaway we have going on with this travel theme. Enter below, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to everybody who has been traveling along this journey with me from the very beginning. It means a lot to me. And so you know how I end every video. Yes, come back to RTS because you never know what we're going to do. Bye.